I was
You're taking
recording.
pictures of them?
So this is where the camper started. This is where the camper ended up. Let's go see what's inside. Trusty photographer.
I can't see. Oh no. Just be careful.
Ready?
I think so. Ah!
There you go.
I can't, it doesn't see anything. You might have to step up one. Careful.
So all the doors are open. The top to the black top is up
Because you can see
there.
there's a whole split straight down the ceiling.
The roof is cracked. This thing went for a little ride. It was open. Oh, it came open anyway. Table is collapsed. Broken sideways. Drawers
Is
open.
there anything like leaking in there and stuff?
Yeah, from here I don't know. That's a good question. If there is anything leaking, not sure what it would be, but then we go in further. The stove is all blown apart. There's one pan up on top. One piece of iron right there. Bathroom doesn't look too good. We have, what is that stuff? Antifreeze all over.
That's what I thought was
Splattered around. The window's broken above the sink. This came down, but we'll just leave it like that is. Bed's up there. All the carpet is all meshed up. Yeah, she tumbled. Sink is dirty, but could probably be fixed. There's the top of the stove right there. Again, you have, oh, there's a hole up above the refrigerator. Can't tell from here, but I think the front mirrors are okay. TV seems to be alright. Maybe.
Or at least still attached.
Still attached. Yeah. Okay. Enough for now.